Senator Amy Marcos, parang obviously she's no longer part of the administration party. Did she even communicate with you because you were friends before?
We're still friends,
They're still friends.
Okay.
They're still friends. That's it.
Inimbita nga niya ako doon sa second hearing, ma'am. Unfortunately, the last 4 days dito medyo hectic na siya kasi pero kung meron namang future hearings na meron silang tanong sa akin tulad ng kung anong nangyari sa Hong Kong or anong nangyari pagdating ni Pangulong Duterte sa Manila, willing naman po ako sumagot. At magkaibigan pa rin kami, ma'am. Hanggang ngayon, wala namang problema doon. I think siguro I would like to believe, I do not know her side, but I would like to believe that the friendship is already beyond politics dahil sa mga nangyari. Hindi magandang nangyari at meron pa rin kaming open lines of communication. Dalawa lang yun, ma'am. It's either nagpa-plastikan kami or it's really beyond relationship. I would like to believe that it's beyond politics already. So I would like to believe it's a friendship beyond politics already.